delightful menu from Ali's Jamaican Cuisine. Ali's come about from my former boss, Mr. Lawrence, Michael Lawrence. He's a Trinidadian. Ali's Jamaican Cuisine is a West Indian roti shop. We serve dal puri roti, we serve bus up shot, we serve plain roti. Plain roti, they known as paratha roti. We do doubles here. You can get chicken doubles, shrimp doubles, curried goat doubles, regular doubles. Regular doubles is chickpeas with either Drew plum chutney or mango chutney. Dal puri roti is the roti with the split peas in the middle. Then we have bus up shot, one of our favorite. Bus up shot is plain roti that is torn up in pieces, but it is flaky and soft, very nice. And then we have paratha roti. Paratha roti, also known as plain roti. Similar to the bus up shot, but it's round like the roti, it's round like the dal puri roti. Doubles is like patty in Jamaica, in Trinidad. So once you go to Trinidad, their patty there would be a doubles. Doubles is a sandwich with chickpeas and mango chutney. But here as Ali's Jamaican Cuisine, we put chicken with doubles, we put shrimp with doubles, we put curried goat with doubles. Very nice. At Ali's, we serve Jamaican food also. So it's a Trini and Jamaican. So that's how we come up with the name Ali's Jamaican Cuisine. Ali's is a well-known roti shop in Trinidad. The Jamaican cuisine is in Jamaica here. So we serve rice and peas, we serve fried chicken, barbie fried chicken, oxtail and bean. We serve stew peas on a Wednesday. So we mix a little.
Now with COVID, there have had to be a number of changes from restaurants and so on.
Right.
What changes have you put in to make your customers feel safe?
Well, we have our hand sanitizer, of course. We do mostly takeout now.
We have been coming here for years. My mother started, and this is the only place, one, that my daughter eats roti from other than at home, and with the boneless curry chicken. And then we have a variety when we come here, but when we come, we feel at home. So you do the social distancing, you know, your hand sanitization, so you know you're comfortable that you're not going to be exposed. And then just the attitude of the servers and good, awesome food.
Here at Ali's, we're a family. So once you walk through the door, you become our family. We have the best rotis here, the best curry. At Ali's Jamaican Cuisine, you feel welcome, you're home.